welcome to my new video which is based on the significance of Newton's forward operation table. Here we have to find out the value of missing terms. How can we proceed? Is like this. You have to draw forward difference operation table. You know how it can be made. You have to put the values of arguments. Then y1, 3, 9. This is y3. 3 minus 1, 2. 9 minus 3, 6. y3 minus 9. 81 minus y3. Okay. Then delta 2 fx becomes 6 minus 2, 4. y3 minus 9 and 6, 15. 81 and 9, 90 minus 2 y3. Delta 3 fx becomes y3 minus 19, 90 and 15, that is 124 minus 3 y3. 105, 9, 5, 9, 10, 105 minus 3 y3. Then delta 4 fx becomes 105 and 19, 124 minus 4 by 3. Alright. Now as it is a third degree polynomial, so the fourth degree, the order of higher order difference operator becomes 0. That is delta 4 fx, delta 5 fx, all they becomes 0. So 124 minus 4 by 3 becomes 0. So 4 by 3 becomes 124, by 3 becomes 31. I hope you will understand very well. This is how we can calculate only single value, single missing term. But our next question is for finding out 3 missing terms. I will proceed then. Let us going to our next question. Now the arguments are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The value for y are 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1. Then 5, 6 and 6, 7th value have not given to us. So these are supposed to be y5, y6 and y7. Okay. Now delta of fx becomes second minus first, that is minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. 1 and 1, 2. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. This becomes 1 and 1, 2. This becomes y5 minus y1. This becomes y6 minus y5. This becomes y7 minus y6. As you know, Newton's forward difference operator for h difference is, let us suppose we have to find out the value of Newton's difference operator for fx. It becomes for h difference final minus initial. But it is characterized by initial value only. So can we write this as delta y4 initial value? This is y5 minus y4. So this becomes delta y4. This becomes delta y5. This becomes delta y6. Okay. Now delta 2 fx. Substitute. Subtracting 2 from minus 2, this becomes 2 minus minus 2, that is 4, minus 2 minus 2, that is minus 4, 2 minus minus 2, that is plus 4. This becomes delta y4 minus 2. Or we can write as y5 minus 1 minus 2, that is y5 minus 3. This becomes delta 5 minus delta y4, which will y6 minus 2y5 plus 1. Okay. And this becomes delta y6 minus delta y5. But it can also be written in the form of y7 minus 2y6, second minus first, okay, plus y5. Okay. But in this form it can be written as delta 2. This is y, delta y4 minus delta y3. This becomes delta 2 y3. Initial value, okay? Delta 2 y4 and this becomes delta 2 y5. Okay? So this single term can be written as 3 forms. written as in three forms, okay. Then minus 4 becomes minus 8, 4 and 4 becomes 8, this becomes delta 2 y3 minus 4, okay. Or we can write as it can be written in the form of delta 2 y3 minus 4 or y5 minus 7 or delta y4 minus 6, okay. Then it becomes delta 2 y4 minus delta 2 y3, or we can say y6 minus 3y5 plus 1 plus 3 becomes plus 4, okay. Or delta y5 minus delta y4 minus delta y4 plus 2, okay. But there is no need to write it. This becomes delta 2 y5 minus delta 2 y4, delta 2 y4, or it can be written as y7 minus 2y6 and y6, 3y6 plus y5 minus plus, that is 3y5 minus 1. Is it okay? But it in second form it can be written as, this is delta 2y3 and delta 2y2, so it becomes delta 3y2, it becomes delta 3y3, and it becomes delta 3y4, okay. Then our delta 4 fx become 8 and 8 16, this becomes delta 3y2 minus 8, that is y5 minus 8 or 7 15, this becomes delta 3y3 minus delta 3y2, y6 minus 4y5, 4 and 7 11, and this becomes delta 3y4 minus delta 3y3, that is y7 minus 3 and 1, 4y6 plus 3y5 and plus 3y5, that is 6y5 minus 1 minus 4 minus 5, okay. But this is delta 4y, this is delta 4y2, and this is delta 4y3. As it is fourth degree polynomial, so for fourth degree polynomial, delta 4fx is constant and all its higher derivatives, higher orders becomes 0, okay. So these all becomes equal to each other, that is delta 4y, delta 4y2, delta 4y3, they all become 16. Is it okay? Delta 4y is 16, that means y5 minus 15, the value of delta y4 is this, now y5 minus 15 becomes 16, that is y5 becomes 31, okay. Then delta 4y2 becomes 16, from here delta 4y2 is y6 minus 4y5 plus 11, it becomes 16, y6 minus 4, y5 has its value 31, which becomes y6 16 plus 4 3 is 12 plus minus 11, 16 minus 11 5, 124 and 5 129. And now what about y7? Again saying delta 4 y3 16. So when you substitute this value into this 16, you get delta 4 y3 as 351. 351, okay. Rest of the topic we'll discuss in our next video. Thank you.